The wrong software makes a hobby feel like a job, or leaves a real business running on sticky notes. Picking the wrong depth early is how growers either burn out on features they do not need or outgrow a tool in month 3. Farmer Type on PlantMood is a free comparison page at plantmood.farm/farmer-type. No login. It lays out two paths side by side: casual growing for home or light production versus running the farm like a professional operation with full business tooling. Open this before you sign up. It saves weeks of clicking the wrong modules. The page opens with two large choice cards. The casual farmer card shows an earnings rating of 1 out of $5 and a workload chip that reads less time. This path is for growers who want grow recipes, a dashboard timeline, and the floor plan operator without orders, inventory spreadsheets, or shop management. The workflow is simple. Seed a batch, follow status as the tray moves through phases, harvest. No customer queue, no P&L tab. The professional farmer card flips the numbers. 5 out of 5 on earnings potential, more time on workload. It covers the full manager stack. Grow recipes, batches, orders, inventory, tasks, finances, analytics, labels, QR codes, and My Shop. This is for people selling regularly, fulfilling standing orders, or managing a team. Below the cards, a side-by-side comparison walks through each path step by step. Not marketing bullets, but the actual sequence of screens you will live in. Further down, time investment and earnings cards put real hour and revenue ranges on the table before you commit to a subscription tier. Many growers start casual and add manager tools when the first restaurant order lands. Farmer Type is the page you revisit when that moment comes. If you have not chosen a structure yet, start with the How to Start tutorial first. The link is in the description. There is no wrong answer, only a mismatch between how you grow and how much admin you want. Farmer Type is free on PlantMood. Link is in the description.